everybody, it's me Mukil again. After a long time, I'm doing an experiment in my experiment table with the growth capsules. This is going to be interesting. This is what you need to make to make the experiment. 2 growth capsules, a glass of warm water, a glass of cool water, a ruler, a paper, and a pencil to write your guess. Which water works better? So I think warm water works better. Let's put the capsules in. I'm putting the yellow one in warm water, the red one in cool water. Let's give a minute or 2 for these to grow. Keep guessing what it is when I take it out. I'm going to take it out now and then we'll measure both of them. I think this is a dinosaur. And this one is still trying to grow. Oh, it broke a little part. So now I'm gonna measure them. This is 5.5 centimeters, and let's measure this one. This is 2.5. Thank you for watching, viewers. Please support and subscribe my channel.